Hey Hori. A smooth rain animation? Generally, you would, if you're doing a game, you would just let that be a particle system. If you really want to make really smooth rain, if you want to like simulate particles, you could do basically this. Draw like paths where you want the rain to fall, okay? Draw the paths. Make them really low opacity. And then across the frames, draw in cycles the raindrops falling. You should be consistent with the sizes, but I'm being inconsistent because I'm lazy. This is way, way slower than raindrops would actually be, but if you sped it up to like double that, and then just hide this. I mean, if you did that like 50 times and offset all of the raindrops so they start at different times, so you just pick a random frame to start on, maybe in the middle here, and just do a different one. Eventually, you get something that starts looking like rain. All that's important is that the raindrops are starting and finishing adjacent to each other. So you can add onion skinning if you want. You can see here, like if I take the guide layer away, one starts where the previous ended. They kind of chain together like that. These grayer ones are the onion skinning, because your eye wants to be able to follow, right? So try to like keep them consistent. Another way you can do it, separate approach altogether, is to do this. Literally, just like pick 4 frames and just do this. If you really don't need to be too precise about it, you can do that and that will work too. Again, speed it up. It's rain. You know, rain is a particle system that is kind of inherently noisy. Stuff's happening, I'm imagining the direction, you know. So if it's for a game, particle systems, good stuff. If it's just for a piece of art, you can do this approach. This is like the anime approach. Or you can be more painstaking and do it like this. This is more like soft rain, you know, it's just spitting down. Like I did this for my title sequence for Insignia. These pages falling down, I basically did that. I drew the guide for where I wanted the pages to go, and then I just drew the pages frame by frame, following the guide all the way down. Hey pals, it's me Adam here in post. Since I've shown you how to draw some rain in Aseprite, I thought I'd just quickly touch on that last bit of doing particle systems in Unity. So the Unity particle system is pretty straightforward. You can Google how to get one into the scene. It's like 2 or 3 clicks. Once you're there, the trick is basically how to tweak all of the sliders and variables to get something that looks like what you want. This is not a tutorial on how to do that, but you know, there you go. You can see me here. I'm playing with the emission shape, the rate of emission, the direction to basically create different kinds of rain, from rain to snow to more of a blizzard in this case here. And yeah, you definitely spend lots of time doing this, but it's worth it. So that's it for this video. It was a short one, I know, but I've got some very, very long vlog style highlights coming from the previous game jam that I entered. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey pal, thanks for watching, and thanks most especially to the patrons and Twitch subs who support this channel and my game dev project Insignia. To find out more, click the links in the description below. And if you like this video, tell YouTube by clicking the like button, and then YouTube will tell me, and then I'll make more videos. That's nice. Thanks again, and until next time.